topic is wind energy. Today I will discuss the new chapter wind energy. Wind energy first point selection of site for windmills. Okay, I will discuss stepwise the which types of selection for main consider for windmills. The main consideration in selection of site for wind energy conversion system, the short name WECS, Wind Energy Conversion System, WECS or windmills, are based on its technical feasibility, economic, social environment and others consideration. Okay, some of the important criteria for selection of site for installation the windmills. They are: number a point is located where the high average wind velocity available, where high velocity wind is available. Okay, are in the range. This velocity range must be 6 meter per second to 30 meter per second. Throughout the year, since power developed is proportional the cube of wind velocity. That means here where the wind velocity are is cube, that's location are install the windmills or WECS, wind energy conversion system. Okay, second point is the WECS must be located from far away from cities and forest. W must be located where located from cities and forest. Okay, why? Because the building and forest offer resist to the air movement. The air movement are resist air, forest and building, so they are installed from cities and forest. Okay, there should be not all structures in 3 kilometers radius from the installation. Where the installation windmills, um, where there should be radius structure in 3 kilometer radius. That's mean this forest and building are not okay. Then I will discuss the farms. Wine farms means are located in flat open area. Right. It means normal area. Deserts. Where the farms are located, wine farms or means they are flat open area. Samabhumi, deserts, morubhumi, seas, সমুদ্র, source, উপকূলবর্তী and offshore, উপকূলবর্তী sites since wind velocities. Where since wind velocity are high in this location, where the wind velocity is high in this location, they are installed windmills. Okay, then I will discuss historical data of wind means wind speed must be collected. Historical data of wind, that means wind speed. Okay, historical data of wind means wind speed. Total wind speed, yearly total average wind speed is collected. Okay, from average velocity years to selected the site for availability of wind velocity need for installation of wind farms. Next, for the installation wind farms, it is the important point for yearly data collection of average value of wind speed and then velocity need for installation of wind farmers. Okay, then point is ground surface should have high soil strength. It is the important part for foundation. Okay, ground surface should have high soil strength. When soil strength is high, then foundation reduce the cost. Okay, foundation cost is reduced for soil strength. Okay, so ground surface should have high soil strength to reduce the cost of foundation. or installation. Fifth point is if is if small trees or vegetable, if small trees exist at a particular location where the locate for installation the windmills in this location are present the trees or vegetable, it should need to increase the height of tower, because where the present vegetable and small trees, here is a tower are shows that that's why the higher of tower since any obstructs reduce the wind velocity. So its installation, for the installation the higher of tower are required for this location. So in this cause the increase in cost of installation. So in this cause means where the present small trees and vegetable, where present small and vegetable, so it's required a high towers, where it when it required a high tower installation, then the installation cost is increases. Okay, then it should be installed away from localities. Okay, it should be installed away from locality or populated area, so that the sound pollution caused by windmills, the windmills install when windmill installed in this area the sound is polluted, the sound polluted cause does not affect the habitants means where the local popular are present, that's mean popularity area. Okay, where the that's called habits, that does not affect the habits in near area from the sound pollution. Okay, so it's need a away from locality. Okay, so it's installation away from the localities. Okay, then I'll discuss last point, the minimum wind speeds at the selection site must be higher. Minimum wind speed at the selection site where the selection install the windmills, the minimum speed 3.5 to 4.5 meter per second. This minimum speed must be required for wind power generation, which is the lower limits at which the present wind energy conversion system start running. But so it is called as cut-in speed. This speed is called cut-in speed. On speed, the lower limit speed 3.5 to 4.5 meter per second. In this is lower limit is in this speed is called as cut-in speed. Up to this speed, no power will be generated by this system. In this speed lower in this speed lower limits are no generate the power system. Okay, so it is called cut-in speed. This is the selection site for the windmills or windmill power generation system. Okay, thank you.